complete. Sem 2 first year.
Now we will see you next year.
Yeah, it was like, see you next year. My name is Kushi. I look like this in first year.
My name is Ishika and I look like this.
I am Tanu and I am looking like this in first year. Let's see what
Second year. And the end of second year. And the end of third year as well.
we have no regrets of being
Whatever we look like.
we have no regrets whatever the teacher thinks about us, okay? We just don't care at all.
And look. He's getting alone. थर्ड ईयर आते आते हो जाएंगे सही. चलो. अब बाय.
इसका फैशन सेंस भी ठीक हो जाएगा सेकंड ईयर तक आता है.
ये कौन सा फैशन सेंस है?
ये जो एनसीसी की टी-शर्ट
इधर करो.
हट एक काम कर अकेले बना.
देखो ये गाइस मुझे धूप में रख रही है और खुद छाए में. लोग छाता मेरा है ये. देख लो. I cannot do anything, so this is our last day. as I told you. हम जा रहे हैं. अरे अंदर करो. हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं? अभी हम जा रहे हैं बाहर की तरफ. क्लास वगैरह हमारी कुछ है नहीं और हमें अब घर जाना है. See you in second year, not sem. Don't repeat. Bye bye.